Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 9th of March 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. Okay, so now question number 1. What was the total cost of the Pune Metro Rail Project which was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is rupees 11,420 crores. So, recently the Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Pune Metro Rail Project. So, during this occasion, he also interacted with differently able, visually impaired students who were invited to be present inside the metro coach. So, PM Modi and the student interact with each other during the 10 minutes ride in the Pune Metro. So a total fund of rupees 11,420 crore were required for the project. It has total length of 33.1 km and 30 stations. So it is also the first metro project in India having aluminium body coaches. Apart from that, the project is implemented by the Maharashtra Metro Rail Corporation, which is the joint venture of the Government of India and Government of Maharashtra. So recently, PM Modi unveiled the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj at Pune Municipal Corporation. Apart from that, he also participated in the event of celebration of the Golden Jubilee Symbiosis Institute. He inaugurated Symbiosis Arogya Dham. Okay, so now question number 2. The National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with which ministry to build a sustainable approach to foster entrepreneurship at the grassroots level. So, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Ministry of Rural Development. So, recently the National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development has signed an MOU with the Ministry of Rural Development. So, the National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development is an autonomous entity under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. So, the Memorandum of Understanding was signed to develop a sustainable model to promote entrepreneurship at the grassroots level. So, for this purpose, the Startup Village Entrepreneurship Program will be conducted. Therefore, due to this partnership, an innovative entrepreneurship culture will be developed and will also develop the economical and social value of the community. Apart from that, both entities will offer support to the entrepreneurs serving in rural area. They will help to set up enterprise at the village level. So they will help to set up startup serving non-agri sector. Apart from that, beneficiary will be benefited from knowledge related to the startup, financial support and advisory support. So basically, the rural entrepreneur will get access to the bank to perform their financial work. Also, support in ICT and other digital tools will also be granted. Okay, so now question number 3. Which bank recently launched a management development program for PSBs bank? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Bank of Baroda. So, recently, the Bank of Baroda Bureau has launched a development program for the public sector bank management with the goal of boosting the quality of bank boards. So, the 9-month Directors Development Program is made for the directors of public sector bank and financial institution with the main objective of improving director effectiveness and increasing their impact on board according to the Bank of Baroda Bureau. Okay, so now question number 4. Who was appointed as chairperson of the Telecom Dispute Settlement and Appellate Tribunal recently? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Justice Rbi Grade B. So, recently, the central government has appointed Justice D.N. Patel as a Chief Justice of Delhi High Court as a chairperson of Telecom Dispute Settlement and Appellate Tribunal. So basically, he was appointed as Chief Justice of Delhi High Court on June 7, 2019 and is now given the chair of the Telecom Dispute Settlement and Appellate Tribunal day before his retirement on March 12, 2022. Okay, so now question number 5. The annual summit of the Indian Global Forum is held in which state? So, the correct answer of this question is option B, that is in Karnataka. So, recently the Indian Global Forum Annual Summit is being organized in Bangalore in Karnataka. So the summit will bring together enlightenment phases of tech-driven distribution and those who have joined Unicorn Club along with the Union Minister, policymaker and global business leaders. So basically the previous edition was hosted in Dubai and in UK and addressed by esteemed speakers like Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the PM of UK, amongst other leaders from government and industry across the globe. Okay, so now question number 6. Which government department recently launched the Donate a Pension campaign? So, the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Ministry of Labour and Employment. So, recently the Union Labour and Employment Ministry, Bhupendra Yadav, has launched the Donate a Pension campaign under the Pradhan Mantri Samrat Yogi Man Dhan scheme on March 7, 2022 from his residence and donate the same to his colleagues. Under the new initiative, citizens can contribute to the pension fund of their immediate support staff such as domestic workers, drivers, helpers, etc. by donating the premium amount. Okay, so now question number 7. Where is India's largest business and cultural center being established by Reliance Industries Ltd? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is in Mumbai. So recently, Reliance Industries Ltd has announced the opening of Geo World Center, which will be the India's largest and most prestigious destination. So the center, which cover 18.5 acre in Mumbai, Bandra Kurla complex, was developed by Nita Ambani, director of Reliance Industry and founder chairperson of Reliance Foundation. And it is said to become a historical business, commerce and culture destination, which will provide the people of India with a world-class landmark. Okay, so now question number 8. Which bank recently partnered with Airtel to boost India's digital environment by 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Axis Bank. So recently, the Axis Bank and Bharti Airtel have entered into a strategic partnership to strengthen the growth of the digital ecosystem in India through a range of financial solutions. So the partnership would enable access to credit and various digital financial offerings from Axis Bank to the Airtel 340 million plus customer. So these will include first of its kind co-branded credit card, that is Airtel Axis Bank credit card with industry leading benefit, pre-approval instant loan, buy now pay later offering and many more. Okay, now let's talk about some important takeaways for all competitive exam. The CEO of Axis Bank name is Amitabh Chaudhary. The headquarters of Axis Bank situated in Mumbai. Apart from that, it is founded on year 1993 in Ahmedabad. Apart from that, the CEO of Bharti Airtel name is Gopal Vittal and it is founded on year 1995 on the date of 7th of July. Okay, so now question number 9. Which digital payment company recently established a partnership with IRCTC to offer digital ticketing services? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Paytm. So recently Paytm, a digital payment company, announced that it has expanded its partnership with the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation to provide consumer with digital ticketing service by automatic ticket vending machine installed at railway station across the country. So the passenger will be able to scan QR codes generated on screen to purchase unreserved train ticket, platform ticket, renew their seasonal ticket and also recharge smart cards. Okay, so now question number 10. In March 2022, where was the Study in India 2022 meeting held? So, the correct answer of this question is option C, that is in Dhaka in Bangladesh. So, recently the Study in India 2022 meeting was inaugurated in Dhaka in Bangladesh. So, it is organized by the High Commission of India. The event was inaugurated by the Education Minister of Bangladesh, name is Dr. Deepu Moni, and the High Commissioner of India to the Bangladesh as name as Vikram Doraiswamy. So the event objective was to have an educational exchange between both the countries, which will in exchange knowledge sharing and boost partnership from both the ends. Apart from that, the event observed the participation of students from various educational institutes. So 19 educational institutes from India took part in the educational fair in Dhaka. Apart from that, the Study in India program is opportunity the next generation of the two countries. Do remember, the program is a flagship project which was launched by Ministry of Education in 2018. Okay? So that's it for today. I hope you liked this session. These were the important news and events for today which are related to the business, economics and financial sector. We meet again with some more important current affairs. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and please do not forget to subscribe GK Today.